What does it look like when you make a joyful noise? Do you make a squeal of excitement? For me, it's usually laughter. I'm usually laughing and exciting, get a big grin and goofy smile on my face. What does it look like when you make a joyful noise to the Lord? That's what Psalm 100 verse 1 teaches us to do. Make a joyful noise to the Lord, all the earth. Part of being creation, part of being created by God allows us to be excited for who God is and what he is doing in our lives. Like and follow so you don't miss Daily Bible with Dan.